Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus, and this card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Taurus. And I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you have any doubts or if you want clarity, you can go ahead and watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this reading. So let's start with your general energy cards. Taurus, birds, rider, and bouquet. So, Taurus, you have lots of responsibilities, guys. Maybe it may be your career responsibilities or in your personal life. You have lot of responsibilities or burdens you are shouldering today. And maybe you are making some important decisions in your life that is going to change the way things are going to go for you. And today you are getting some important news, guys, in your situation. It may be a good news in your career, or it may be uh, something in your personal life, and you are happy, you are celebrating this news with family, friends, or this person you love, and you feel really grateful for this news or for your situation. You have that harmony, contentment, and you feel immense satisfaction, guys, and you share a great understanding with this person you love. And you are, maybe for some of you, uh, this person you love, this special person, they are coming with gifts, guys, to win your love, or it may be your energy. You are going with gifts to win over this person, or to propose to them your love for them, or show your affection to them. And very positive changes are happening, guys. Maybe the burdens you shoulder, or maybe the stress you have, you are going to feel really relieved today, maybe because of that news coming in your situation, guys. And for some of you, there is someone close to you, maybe a friend or someone you love, coming to visit you, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your general energy, Taurus. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have heart. So this connection, this person you love, they are going to propose to you, guys, and they are coming to meet you. And with this person, you will share that great compatibility, love, understanding, mutual respect, and caring, guys. And this person may be the person for you, your twin flame or soulmate. So that is the reason we have these cards here for your general energy and for your relationship, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. Mountains. So, in your career situation, guys, you are facing lots of obstacles or hurdles, and you need to overcome all that. But I also see that some great news or some opportunities or changes are coming in your situation that is going to change the way things are going in your personal life and in your career situation, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading, guys. If you want more clarity, watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and Whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for y'all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way, and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide, or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have, and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly, whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the Juniper Tree, Deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you, is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart. and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, you're going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you're getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.